Good morning, everybody. Bo's going crazy. He sees something. We got a rule out here, general rule: if it moves, kill it. All right. Anyways, we got to get some stuff done today. Well, damn, I'm trying to like flip around the scissors in my other hand, like discombobulated. Okay, I need to cut this off first of all. This dead growth. Well, I guess that's an oxymoron, dead growth. You know what I mean. Anyways, there we go. That's looking good again. I'm gonna cut that up and use it as a compost. I need more green compost. We put watermelon rinds out here last night, yesterday evening, and I mentioned when you put out compost, you need an even mix of green and brown. Damn, what is this? Can't cut it. Okay, there we go. Okay, as I was saying, you need an even mix of green and brown. For my brown, I'm putting out cut up cardboard boxes. Wow, I'm holding the phone in my left hand. There's no trimmer at all. Maybe it's actually finally improving the nerve damage I incurred in my left arm a few years ago. I think it was like in 2022. Usually as a trimmer when I hold something, but today's been pretty good. I guess that's progress. Happy about that. Anyways, we put the watermelon out yesterday on all the fruit trees go down the line. Francesca Frig. Francesca Fig is looking great. I was worried about her first, few days out here. I separated her from the mother, and I was, you always worry about the first few days in a new pot, the baby, the offshoot, the pup, or whatever you want to call it, and it's growing new leaves. So yeah, it's taken to the pot, it's acclimated, and it's doing great. All these flies, which is a good thing, because flies will have babies, and they'll be born to aerate the soil, create holes for the irrigation for water to go through, and plus the fly might die in the soil and become part of the compost itself. Anyways, yeah, we got boxes and watermelon. I need to cut up more vegetation. Like, you can use weeds, watermelon rinds, the rinds of other fruits, like orange peels and whatnot. Um, I don't know what to think about this tree here. I don't know if it's gonna make it, but these other two cherry trees look like they're gonna do great. But that one, when they send three trees, you expect one or two not to make it. Peanuts look amazing. They're taking over the whole pot. All right, now that we're done yapping, let's go get the hose and water this and wrap this up. Once again, your daily reminder to grow something. Two simple words can make a profound change in your life. Never let negative people get you down. They're negative and miserable for a reason. Their lives suck. Don't buy into it. Your life could be great if you get up and grow something, get active. And if you are active, stay active. Exercise is important. Very important. I don't even check the weather anymore. It's like if it does rain today, great. If it doesn't, great. I've been watering some days and it does rain. It wants it because it's summer. I mean, today's July 1st. We're deep into summer, and they need all that moisture they can get. It's get kind of hot. And I watered twice yesterday. All right, let's go water the plum tree. By the way, I know people may be cringe when they see me water this stuff, just watering the whole plant. I know you're supposed to water down in there like that, but I just get lazy. I know you're supposed to water the dirt. There's nectarines in here. I'm scared of damaging my young trees, my juvenile trees. I like to call them juvenile trees. All right. All right. There she blows. The mint's looking pretty bad. I didn't put it there. I couldn't care less. This is my pride and joy right here. My beautiful fruit tree collection. All right, everybody. Time to wrap it up, head back inside, do some more education. I haven't decided what we're going to learn today. We'll think about it. There's your far shot. Let's go turn the water off. Never forget to do that. Unless you want your water bill to be outrageous. Because it'll keep running. Hey, buddy. There's Bo peeking his head up. All right, let's go get Bo and say goodbye. What are you doing over here, buddy? You gonna boop the camera? Boop. All right, that's it. See ya. Take it easy, but not too easy. Get out there and get active, grow something, and fuck the haters.